Dorothy here with Done by Dorothy. We are here today. We have completed our springtime in Paris junk journal and we are doing our final flip through. So let's get started with this. First, I want to give a shout out to Junk with Steph. The kit contained inside came from her, and her digitals are absolutely stunning. I will put a link below. Make sure you check her out. Give her a thumbs up. Let her know Done by Dorothy sent you. So we will get started. It is a 6x9 journal. The actual spine is 1¼ inches, although it does have a 3-inch alligator mouth. Just so you know that. So it doesn't lay completely flat. It is alligator mouth, but it's a journal and they all should look like that. So there are 3 signatures, and the signatures, there are 50 base pages in each signature, so a total of 150 base pages. By base pages, I mean either a digital printout from the kit or a coffee dyed paper. That does not include any vintage papers, any tip-ins, or anything like that. That is literally just the base pages are 150. So if you counted the tip-ins and everything else, I would say you're upward 200 plus, because there's, well, you'll see. It has just a plain fabric closure. Again, springtime in Paris. This fabric came from Walmart. It is a chipboard cover. There are a vintage doily that you can see here on the spine. And again, just a plain fabric closure. So I'm going to put it to the side. There is vintage laces throughout it and decorating it. So let's get started. I did not, here's that vintage doily. I left it here. I did not decorate the inside cover because I did not want to bulk it up any more than what it was, because it's pretty chunky. So there's one, see, I told you those digitals are just astounding. She does such a great job. And it is a traveler's notebook type journal, so the signatures are tied in, so you can untie them, take them out, or loosen the strings, take them out, write in them, and put them in, which gives you more access to your journal because of it being how bulky it is. Because, like, seriously, guys, if it's not being held shut, it's like that. Okay, so I'm not going to take all day and try to explain everything. I'll flip through just so you can see. So there's that. There are tutorial videos on how I built every bit of it. So, if you're interested in something, go back and check out the tutorial. Love her. Thanks. Yes, there is. And it contains tickets, small little assignment. So like this, I would consider a base page. This, I would consider a base page. So lace, like this page is not included. And it is coffee dyed. All the pages are coffee dyed unless they're digital. The envelopes, an extra page in there of the digital, so you can use it if you want to decorate or add ephemera. A vintage math book page of a spiral bound math book. If you can believe they had spiral bound math books. It's crazy, but it is. This is a vintage shorthand book, and it is, I did add washi to help strengthen it. Coffee dyed page. Tips up that is a CD envelope that you can use for storage. A vintage ledger page that has been coffee dyed. This is from a Paris. It's in French. It is a book from Paris on factories and things like that from 1921. Of course, our doily, kinds of little tags in there. They're all layered in there. There's an envelope for storage. And a lot of these packages that don't have anything in the storage, I have extra pieces of the kit left over that I will tuck in there for you to use to decorate with. There. Little notebook page. This is some dyed dry deli paper. Again, lots of pages. A tag flip out. This does have a shaker. This slides. I'm going to slide this over. This slides out so you can put a photo behind there of your kids, your grandkids, whatever. A doily. I have slid this down in the thing as I'm showing it, so this actually goes in the center. And again, flip up so you can. And I try to leave lots of room for journaling, lots of room if you wanted to add things to it. There's the other side of that envelope. Again, that Paris book page, the vintage ledger. There's that shorthand page, the arithmetic page. It's tucked down in the pocket here. Some vintage fabric. Flip out. There are tags of vintage ribbon on it. Oh, there's another Baldar tag. So there are tags in there. Another page. Here's the tuck. Oh. Well, I'm not going to. Well, there it went. So I will ink that up and fix that. But for journaling, the page. Here's some out. That is on embossed paper too. It's another piece of that embossed paper. Another little notebook. And again, the vintage lace. Another doily. Flips out. CD envelope. And again, another page tucked up in there. So I will add all those extras that I have left over, which are, extra tags and such like that. If you want to add to it. And there is a tuck spot in there. So I left a lot of those empty because I do have that part of the kit to put in there. Decorated poker playing card. This is also a shaker, and it also is this book's the property of card. And there's that Paris page. There's an arithmetic page. Again, another seed envelope opens up, and there's tags stuffed in there. Oh, that was the tab. I thought there was something stuck in there, but it was the tab. There's that ledger page, a digital page, bingo card, doily. This is a mat board that you can put between your pages to write. This little Paris thing back here slides out, so you can slide a little photo in there. And there's a tag and a tag strip attached to it in there. So that'll give you something that you can write on. Again, there's extra space. Like I said, I have tons of this unties. And, unties. And you have a place for hidden journaling. And the little entrance doors there. Oh, let me tie it up real fast. Sorry. Sometimes they're harder to tie than untie when they're small like that. Yeah, and another vintage ledger paper. That Paris page. And a couple tags stuffed in there. I really wanted to showcase her kit, and I think this kit is showcased in here very well. Another that vintage shorthand paper. Again, some tags. These are these vintage, like adult coloring book pages. just a circle tag, and again another piece of the extra paper in there. Piece of that embossed card, and the last one, again, just a great little sticker. That is a tuck spot also if you want to use it. Again, an envelope, and this has another piece like we looked at earlier. The extra page, a couple more tags, another notebook. This is a floating pocket, and excess tags are in there. And that's a coffee filter pocket. And that Paris page, tag the tuck. Another page, and again, there's that extra sheet in there. Arithmetic page, doily, some butterfly tuck. Arithmetic page, page. This is a decorated guest ticket. It lifts up, and you can journal on the back of that. And there's also the grid there that you can journal on. Again, another pocket. This is a tag flip out. It opens up so you can journal on it. There's a little bag in there, little decorated tags. Flips over on the other side, and it's decorated for journaling also. And a little tuck in there, and that opens up for journaling. So lots and lots and lots of room for journaling. So meant to be used. Another Paris page. And those dyed sheets, some tags, another envelope with the extra page like we've been showing you. On the page, bingo card, some back, and a little tag. Again, another shorthand page. I don't know why these. Well, I will work on it and get it loose. Oh, they stay in there. There it went. I'm gonna have to put a new one in there. Oh, it did pull off the edge a little bit. I will get that fixed in there. And that, and then the back cover. So that is it. I wanted to come on and share and do a flip through. It will be listed in my Etsy shop. I will try to get it listed this afternoon before I post the video, so that you can see it if you're interested in it. And you guys have a great day, and we will see you again next time. Thank you. Bye.